DepEd Assistant Secretary Francis Bringas. Magandang umaga po, Asek Bringas.
Hi, good morning, Kong Erwin, and good morning, Aljo. Sa lahat
Morning
ng
po.
iyong mga taga-subaybay.
Thank you. So, ito po ay approval na lang ng Pangulo upon the recommendation of Vice President Sara Duterte to the President kung pwedeng gawing March ang tapos ng klase next year. Asek, is this correct?
Yes, Kong, that is one of the options that we presented to the President. No, apat yung binigyan natin options. And the most aggressive of which ay ito na nga na mag-e-end tayo possibly ng March 31 by next year.
So, what's going to happen? Kung March 31 tayo next year, ano magiging buwan ng pasukan naman this year, Asek?
This year, mag-open pa rin tayo 29 this year.
July
At
29.
Yes. Kung mag-e-end tayo ng March next year sa March 2025, then we will have reduced number of days.
Kailan ang bakasyon ng mga bata
for the
this year?
next school year.
Kailan ang bakasyon ng mga bata this year,
That
Asek?
will be back to this year.
Opo.
Magbabakasyon tayo ng June
pa rin.
to July.
So 1 month na lang ang bakasyon nila, Asek.
Hindi, Kong. Mag-e-end tayo ng May 31 and then we open in July 29.
May 31.
So, almost 2 months.
2 months.
Almost
Okay
2
na,
months.
dalawang buwan.
Pwede rin, oo. Pero yung curriculum, sir, hindi ba iikli? Kasi July. So
yan,
maghahabol na lang tayo?
Oo, kung magkakaroon talaga yan ng impact dun sa delivery ng competencies natin sa curriculum, kung mare-reduce yung number of days natin. Kasi based on our experts dito sa curriculum natin, if kinakailangan natin ng minimum 180 days para ma-cover natin ang lahat ng competencies
So,
given.
we are looking na may mga classes pag Sabado. Tama po ba, Asek Francis?
Yeah, we are looking at the possibility kung pwedeng hindi naman face-to-face, pwede pa rin tayo mag-resort to alternative delivery mode.
Paano po yung salary ng mga teacher, yung mga vacation leave po nila? I-adjust din, Asek Francis?
Yes, definitely magkakaroon ng impact din yan, Kong, dun sa proportional vacation pay ng ating mga teachers. Kasi yung computation ng PVP natin, nakabase din yan sa number of school days in a given school year. So magkakaroon tayo ng compromises there that could be subject for consultations with our teachers.
Are you in coordination with CHED naman? Kasi baka March nga, pero si CHED naman, ang pasok niya pa rin, itatama niya pa rin ng mga July or August, di ba? Kasi college level ito. Ano hong sabi nila? So, kailangan, medyo dikit din, di ba, Bay Aljo? You know what I mean, Asek Francis?
Yes, I know. I know what you mean, Kong. At ang CHED naman, kung titignan natin yung ating mga colleges and universities in the Philippines, hindi naman sila lahat ay nag-o-open ng August. Meron pa rin sa kanila iba nag-o-open ng earlier than August. So, yung synchronicity natin with the higher education will still remain unaffected, I believe.
Alright.
Okay. Sige po.
Asek Francis Bringas, Deputy Spokesperson ng Department of Education. Sir, maraming salamat for giving us the opportunity to answer these questions. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo dyan sa DepEd.
Thank you so much, Kong, and thank you, Aljo.